Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Dom and we're going to talk about unusual options activity. Alright, so start off with the disclaimer here. So this video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this program are solely the opinion of the show and are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize that all investments carry risk. There's no guarantee of profit. Alright everyone, that's super important. So I want to talk about one that I brought up yesterday. Now I said that the trades that I brought up yesterday, I did not put those on. And one of those trades that I brought up was LITE. And I did not buy this one yesterday because I did not have enough time to do my research on this one. And I'm happy I did not buy that one yesterday because they had earnings this morning. And I guess the earnings were not that good because the stock was down about $7 or about a little less than 8% today. And I was thinking about getting into this one this morning, and I saw the stock was way down this morning and that they had earnings, and that kind of freaked me out that the stock was down this much after earnings. So like I said yesterday, I decided to just move on to the next one, and we got into some different trades today. So I just want to let you guys know that I did not end up getting in this LITE one, and I'm happy I didn't. And that goes to show you guys, there was some nice buying in some February 110 calls, I think it was yesterday, in this stock here, and it was down 8% today. Some people were putting down $200,000, $300,000. So that goes to show that this trading strategy does not always work out. So it's just something to keep in mind. If you're going to be starting to trade unusual options activity. So first one I want to bring up is Li Auto. So as you can see here, we have positioned these June 18th 65 strike calls. This stock's trading at 30. These are extremely far out of the money, but this one's a wild trader, and it could potentially could have the potential to make it all the way to the 65 level by June. So as you can see here, somebody bought the dip today. This stock was down about, I think, 7% at its lows. We got in somewhere around there. And we'll scroll down here to these June 65 strike calls. As you can see right here, somebody came in and got 3,100 of these things at $179 each. That's about a $500,000 to $600,000 order. I've been in this stock before. This is a Chinese EV company. So I've traded this one, and this one's done well for us. So let's take a look at the chart. All right, now this one's kind of an IPO. It IPO'd, it looks like around 7:30, the date. Traded up to about 47, and it's kind of been consolidating, trading, kind of fading off here around this 30 level. And we're playing this one for some upside. Like I said, I've done some research on this company. We've been in this company before, and it's done us well. $500,000 to $600,000 order in Li Auto. I'm following that one. All right, so the next one is First Solar, FSLR. This is a solar play. Like I said many times, we've been all over these solar plays on this channel, and they've done us well. I brought up First Solar before. That trade has worked out well for us. Some of you might still even be in that trade because we're going out further. But like I said, even if I'm going out, 5, 6, 7 months, and I can make a nice double on my money, I'm going to cut it off the table. And if I see more unusual activity in that same stock and I like the order, I'm going to jump right back in, and that's exactly what we're doing with First Solar here in these September 17th 115 strike calls. Now as you can see here, this thing does not trade a whole lot of options, especially out in September. So this order this 2,100 contracts traded is kind of unusual here. So let's jump down here, and first thing I do, I see some nice volume like that. Next thing I do, jump down to the time and sales, and you can see right here somebody came in and got 1,400 of these things at $1,000 each. That is about a $1.5 million order on these First Solar options. I like this trade. It's a 115 strike call. It's kind of out of the money. But when you're going out of the money and you're giving yourself plenty of time, the options tend to move nicely when the stock moves up, even if it takes a month or two for this trade to work. I like this company. We've been in this trade before. I brought up First Solar on this channel before. I think this is one of the best in breed solar stocks. I think they do have earnings coming up. Last earnings, they blew it out of the park. The stock traded way up. So yeah, we've been in this one before. I like this company, and we'll see what happens with these calls, everybody. I like following a $1.5 million order. Now, some, I followed $1.5 million orders, and sometimes they don't work out. That's just a gamble with this. We don't know why these people are buying it, but I like this company. We're in these calls, and we'll see what happens. All right, everyone. Thanks for everyone who's been subscribing. I really appreciate it. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you got a question. Make sure to shoot a like so we can get this video out to many different people, and we can create a channel where we can all share our trades and all have a conversation about these trades, and we can all learn together. All right, everyone. We'll see you in the next one.